Yes, welcome on this channel. So today we are going to set up HTTP Injector. So if you don't have this app, head over to Google Play Store and install it. We are going to set up HTTP Injector Cloud Config settings. Play Store. Make sure this app is updated to its latest version so that you don't experience errors. Head over to your Google Play Store and type in HTTP Injector. Make sure it is updated, then you open it. So when you reach in the app, make sure to set up one of the available options by tapping here. Tap one of the available connection protocol. You may check the description to check on how to create one of the available. Then after you click save. So for you to create a cloud config file, you tap on this button, this one. You tap on export, then you tap on the protocol you set it at first. So after you tapping or choosing the correct protocol, you click on this button which I show you, lock and prevent editing. So this is done to prevent unnecessary editing and to secure your file. So after you doing that, click on extra, then from here you set expiry date. You can adjust the expiry date, so you click OK. So after you adjusting, you can give your file a name here. You give it a name. Let's say HTTP Injector. Then after you giving your file a name, this is how what you're gonna do next. You click right here. So then you click on save to cloud. So this is how you're gonna create a cloud config or link. So at this moment or at this step, you need to turn on your internet or your cellular data. Make sure you are connected to internet and your internet is working perfect. So you tap on cloud, on save to cloud. Then you tap on export config. Then you tap on export config again. So you wait and then you'll be presented here. Then you click on copy. So you copy the link. Now this is how you're gonna import your cloud config link. If you have saved this link or you have just created it, this is how you will import. Tap on this again. Then you tap on import. Then to import, you select cloud config. Then here paste it there the link of the which you have created or which you have received. So you click on import config. Even at this moment, at this step, you need to have a strong internet so that it imports. So you click on import and it will be successfully imported. So that's how we create and import HTTP Injector Cloud Config. Please make sure to like and subscribe on this channel.